Okay, here we are in the 911. Just a couple things to go over in here. Electronic wise and convenience feature wise, everything works as it should. Air conditioning works, blows nice and cold. Radio works, CD player works, the nav comes up. Power windows, locks, mirrors, chrono. All of the screens work as they should. There is that little pixelation issue up in here. The ashtray here, I can't tell if that's in the frame or not here, but the spring is broken in there. I'm going to try to figure that out, but it goes closed, but occasionally tends to find its way open. But I'm going to try to solve that. Not the biggest deal either way, but I'm going to try to solve that one way or the other for everyone. So we'll go on a short drive, just to show you how the car runs, drives, handles bumps and things along those lines. It's the car's very tight. The suspension is all in good working order. No rattles or clunks or anything along those lines. It drives like a car with half its mileage. So, all right, we'll go out. Sense of the car drives really smooth, quiet, handles bumps and manhole covers, you know, very well. Again, it drives like a car with, you know, half the mileage. I don't see any issues with any suspension components needing replaced or anything like that. The clutch is in very good condition, I would have to say. Feels good. The GT2 hydraulics in it make the clutch pedal probably more firm than a 997, a regular OEM 997 turbo, which I've never driven, so I don't have a good A/B sample for it. But it's a pretty stiff clutch, but not overly so. there's no shake in the wheel, no shimmy. The car tracks straight, so it's not out of alignment or anything like that. This car will be ready to fly in and drive home if the new owner would like to do something like that. Okay, returning here to the shop. Odometer says 65,531, and I'll rearrange the cars, put this in the back of the shop here, and it'll sit here until the next owner picks it up or has it picked up. Any questions, please ask through the comments or send me a message directly. Good luck to everyone, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.